Hello and welcome to this demonstration video which will highlight Mark FMCG software key features and showcase how users can use this software for complete visibility and control over their FMCG company. So let's take a quick view at some of the main features of Mark FMCG software. Firstly, let's take a look at the few points that we will be discussing in the video, that is inventory management, customer and sales management, billing features and accounting management. The inventory management in our software helps you to maintain MRP wise inventory. Let's take an example of a toothpaste Colgate. Earlier the MRP of Colgate was 80 rupees and I ordered for 50 pieces of Colgate, out of which 40 are sold and we are left with 10 pieces. Later on the next MRP of Colgate increases from 80 to 100. So these types of groups you can maintain of different MRP in our software. Next is conversion. One to many and many to one. One to many option is used to convert one item into different packings. Like here one sugar bag is selected and these are the different quantities in which this sugar bag is divided into. So this is called one to many. Similarly in many to one, a particular item is selected and then these are the products which are required to prepare this product. Many to one can also be used to repack a product out of multiple products. The effect is visible in stock level as well as the products are used. Like one quantity from each of these products will be deducted and added to this main product garam masala. So this is how conversion option can be useful for FMCG trade. Next is set of item bundle. This option is used to make a bunch of items or products. Example, if 4 or 5 items are mostly built together, so you can make a bunch of it to build those items at a time. This enables you to make a single entry in place of multiple entries. Like suppose I have a customer Hypercity store and he always purchases certain fixed goods like Fruity, Lux, Colgate, Vim Bar, Britannia and Amul Butter and in fixed quantity. So what I can do is I can create a bundle, already load those items in the bill, and at the time of Hypercity Store's billing, with one click I can load all those items all together whose bundle I created. So set of item bundle is one option which is very useful and time saving for billing purpose. Next option is manage stock in multiple units. Multi-unit means we purchase goods in certain unit and sell it in some other unit. For example, we purchase and maintain Amul butter in corrugated box. And in one box we have suppose 60 to 70 packets and we sell those butters in packet. So if we sell 30 packets or 20 packets, so it reflects in the stock in both the units, that in one box these many units are remaining. Next is rack management. With rack management you can improve your floor utilization and inventory arrangement. You will be aware that in which rack which product is stored, and if you need to transfer a product to another rack, so you can do that through our software. Next is multiple stores and godowns management, where you can manage your inventory godowns and stores wise. Like scrap store is for expired or waste product and the other ones are for fresh products. Next is expiry / near expiry stock report. With the help of this report you can view that stock which will be expired before the defined date. The benefit of this feature is that you will be aware of the near expiry date of your products, so you can sell those products quickly or purchase return them. Next, after the inventory module, let's come forward to customer and sales management. There are a number of reports and options available in the software to help you maintain better customer relationship, and there are multiple sales management provisions available. Like you have different kinds of salesman report. You have salesman sales statement. Like here I defined that from 1st March to 21st March, these salesmen generated these many sales. These are the party names to whom the sale is made. And then you have other salesman reports like salesman item wise sale, means how much sale is generated of a particular item. Like this product Amul has been sold by these two salesmen and at this amount between 1st March to 21st March. Then there is consolidated sales book for sale analysis. You have other sales report like party company wise sales summary. Another beneficial report is fast and slow moving items report. In this report, you can analyze the number of fast moving products, that is, the products which are more in demand, means whose sale is good, and analyze the slow moving items, means the products which are not being sold. Also, you can analyze medium moving and non moving items. This report is very beneficial for purchase planning. Now let's take a look at some of our billing features. Firstly, you have multiple default invoice printing formats to choose from. Like here you see different kinds of invoice are available. You can select any one of these and set that as default. Next is fast billing. Let me show you a demo of billing in the software. This is a sale bill window. We define the transaction date over here. Enter. Select the ledger to whom we are selling. That is a customer. And then after filling the other details like bill number, after selecting the salesman, we switch down to products. Press enter to select the product we want to sell. Select the product that you are selling. Select the MRP of the product that you are selling. Enter. Type the quantity you are selling, suppose 2 quantity. Enter. And we'll sell another product, Lux Peach and Cream. We'll sell 20 quantity of it. Now to save the bill, we'll press the end key. As you save the bill, this window appears mode of payment. You can turn it off from control room where there are 1800 setups available for customization. Like now we receive 800 in cash and the rest 1026 rupees we receive in credit card. And then we save this bill. Now this was simple billing. There are more speedy ways of doing billing. I'll quickly show you. Like when we enter on a product, our cursor switches to quantity. If you want the default quantity to be 1 or any other number, then you can enable that from control room. In control room, we'll search for default quantity and set default quantity sales to 1. And now let's see the effect. So here you see it did not wait at the quantity. However, you can change it if you want. Also, you can do barcode scanning. Like I'll show you. You can scan the barcode here and the software reads it. So you can keep scanning your items and it will load here. Now we'll save this bill. And another speedy way of billing is fast billing mode. So I'll show you how it works. Here on the items window, you press Ctrl W. Define the quantity required, suppose 1. Enter. Then enter on the product required. Then again the quantity window appears. We again define the quantity, suppose 2. Enter. Select the product whose 2 quantities required. Then again this window appears. Suppose we need 3 quantity of Tops orange jam. Then again press Ctrl W to load these items in the bill. And here the same products have loaded in the bill in the same quantity that we defined. In control room, there are multiple options you can enable and disable for sale bill. So we took a look at the billing in Mark software. Then is multiple schemes and discounts. There are a number of discounts and scheme in the software to apply. Some of them are double discount, party company discount, company wise discount, bill discount on value, and item free on bill value. Next is point system. You must have heard of royalty points and special coupons which attract the customers to continue shopping with you. Like 1 point on every 1000 rupees purchase or 2 points on every 1500 rupees purchase. So in Mark software, you can implement point system and point slabs. Like here, slabs are defined. Like on bill value 1000, 1 point will be added to the customer's account. On 2000 bill value, 2 points will be added. On 3000 bill value, 3 points will be added, and so on. And down here you see we have defined per point cash value for discount 100. Means whenever we will redeem points of the customer, so you will provide 100 rupees discount against every 1 point. So as per the purchase, as per the bill value, the points will automatically get loaded in the ledgers, means customer account. And later if you want, then you can redeem those points. Then is cashier concepts. As you know that in FMCG business, billing counters and cashiers are separate. So if in your business also such an arrangement is maintained, so you can very easily manage cashier in Mark software. Next is cash drawer and weighing machine. In the software, you can electronically attach cash drawers that hold notes and coins. The drawer opens on every bill saving. You can also attach weighing machine in the software. Next billing feature is the dispatch management bill audit feature. As you know that in every business there's a complete process from product order to delivery. When you go to distributors, wholesalers, stockist store to purchase products, every time you must notice that there are different counters over there for billing, printing and receiving goods. Along with this, different operators and workers are engaged to complete this process. Similarly, bill audit dispatch management includes 3 steps: printing, packing and delivery. So through bill audit you can track the status of your bill. That is, till what stage has your delivery been completed. As the printing user will print the bill, that bill will turn yellow in the bill audit window. Then as the packing user will complete packing of the bill, he will update it in the software and that bill will turn blue. And similarly, then as the delivery user will complete delivery, he will update it in the software and then that bill will turn green. So this is the bill audit window and these are our bills. Down here you see for printing yellow color, blue for packing and green for delivery. So here most of the bills are green, means their delivery is complete, and the ones you see in red color are those bills which are urgent bills. Then we also have a report where you can check the productivity of your users, like how many bills have been picked by the pick user, how many packings are done by the packing user, how many delivery has been done by the delivery user. Next billing feature is mode of payment. Through mode of payment you can receive payment in different modes like cash, credit card, check, etc. And then there are different currencies in which you can receive payment. So this is yet another beneficial billing feature. Now after the billing features, let's take a look at the accounting management. Marg has a complete accounting management system including purchase, sales, purchase return, sale return, voucher entry and printing, cash book, bank book, ledger, journal book, trial balance, analysis of debtors and creditors, balance sheet, cash flow and fund flow, trading and profit and loss, daily transaction summary, outstanding receivable and payable, and many more. Mark software has 1000 MIS reports. I can just go on and on with the number of features and options of this software, but hope this much gives you an idea and overview of our Marg FMCG software. Further, to explore more about Marg FMCG software, you can visit our website www.markcompusoft.com or call on our helpline number, where there are 100 lines available at your assistance. Thanks for watching.
इन्वेंट्री और अकाउंटिंग को मैनेज करने में पहले बही खाते और फिर दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर काम तमाम कर देते थे, लेकिन जब से आया है मार्क इन्वेंट्री एंड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, मेरे सारे काम हुए फास्ट, इजी और एक्यूरेट। मार्क, माय बिजनेस बैकबोन।